Ken. Alright guys, the family them a leave today. Back to England, so everybody a pack up. Ken a peel, guava pack up, everything pack off it, overload. And them something they say in a while we are gonna head off to the airport. So I'm sure no I go around so my mother peel Ken like she young. Watch out.
No, they carry, but we know they freeze and carry. But England no different.
So she a peel Ken. Look around the shop peel Ken too.
You wanna make a cane man, original cane man from Bay. You know want your cane? You just go and check me them around a Bay.
Around a Bay you there? Yeah. The part of Bay you there? Upstairs?
Up a Bay me there.
Oh. Up a Bay. You don't want to no cane check me around a Bay up a Bay and get to no cane.
Yeah,
original cane man.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. So a cane man and a cane woman over there. So. How we feel location them is? Up a Bay too?
Up a CLM.
Up a CLM. So
right at hospital gate.
Alright, so one day hospital gate and one day up a Bay around a Bay.
Up a Bay.
Up a Bay. See what go on so the people them overload you see. They come from England and they want to carry back all of Jamaica go England. They never carry all of England come here no. Because I don't feel no coldness since they come up here heat. So that means they don't carry England come here.
Your trainers. Where?
I'm petting in twin. Twin grandson. Suitcase for days. People overload one go man can't go.
Banana of the world.
Banana. So you can carry that too?
I don't know.
But you try.
I'm gonna try.
She want to carry everything.
I'm gonna try.
She a carry green banana, she a carry guava cane. Hey, anything everything we have seen she a carry too because it's England. So guys, be a packing. Yeah?
Good food
Yeah.
from Jamaica.
Good
I
food.
want to take it.
Yeah, until you get time to come back again.
But they're gonna teeth it from me in the airport.
A big swimmer is up at Turkey Tower Beach. We go right on the concrete and he just drop down. She no back flick, you know. She jump down. And I think some woman go back flick. A pair packing a go on, pair and then sit there. See how much put on a pair but a one left. You know what make this a one left? It can't hold in a luggage.
Where they can't pay, person decides in our left one.
But one left in iPad's like full.
But I want food.
I mean, I see a one pump and full or more than one. I see uncle one left. Two guava alone out of the bag of guava leave. Two single guava leave. Everything else, me pack them in one bag. Then carry them. So in a little while with the Songsters International Airport. Here don't want next part again. So I go back up I can people. There more suitcase there now guys. More suitcase. More suitcase did they? I hold it more how much in bag or something. All of them are go. When done talk seminar and go back at airport and I'll come back up you know. You know tell you no time now. Me not come back. Fala, people got airport and I come back like a puppy show. And I'll come back this time. I'll get beside Ken to eat. Peace. Alicia met nice people. The intro girl. Ken, yawa. Ken, give me one little piece. Taste something more. The sweet man, all if I so gum you have, you can't eat this. Make them pickle in a comb. Sweet, it is soft. Zion. Jalen. Jaden. I have one more gel and you know in there. I'm going to see everybody in black and white.
What me I do?
Oh, I get key on this one. Okay. Sweet.
Pet! Pet toy! Pet! You know say you come put your kid in my bag. Come now.
I can't fit and carry, but me I eat some, then I eat mommy.
Come put the kid in my bag. Come put the come pet. First you say make them carry in them bag pack. The key on. Come put in my bag. I want in the bag there. Where is the bag? Number one. Don't try everything, yeah. Everything, yeah. You can carry dogs to them along with you.
Hey,
yeah, Hakim. 1, 2 dog pair. I can't not carry dog. You must see in there. Tell me that in there for cup. This one the black coffee.
You have to go carry mafia and can come and give mafia for your bone. But Uncle Percy there.
For the fans first.
Which one? Oh.
Yeah, so if you ask if you carry dog, mafia.
Yeah, me now left mafia till you said tell mafia put on mafia clothes. Tell put on mafia clothes.
Yeah.
And pack mafia bag. Pack mafia bag.
Put on mafia clothes and pack mafia bag. See him there, he hear his name. You go to England mafia, go get ready. How much time is
Mafia
it?
bag.
What in a beard?
In a beard.
Mafia, put your clothes on.
What are the tongue?
Mafia.
Take no picture with
Mafia, get your bag. Get your bag. Get your bag and come out. We're going. Get your bag and let's go. Yeah.
You know, go.
What do you mean? Yeah.
In Jamaica, you don't push up your foot in a slippers, you just catch your foot in
Yeah, you're
it.
telling. Get
So
your
you
bag,
ready
Mafia.
to
Get your bag.
Hey,
Mafia, go and get your bag. Come on, let's
Mafia, you're
go.
fortunate how much dog up and play now you come.
Where's Mafia passport?
And Pampers.
Yeah, where's passport? Yeah.
Money.
Where's Mafia passport? Mafia
In
need
my
your
bag.
passport. Come on, Mafia. Come on, get your passport. Come on.
Yes, sir. If Mafia think he might go this evening, let me. Say hi, say something to the camera.
Subscribe to Akshay Shena and Talk of TV1.
Oh, side.
Phone answer.
Where answer?
Phone answer. Sometimes you not see it.
Also, sometimes I don't see it neither. Slide on your top. See, just see it.
What's the side there?
A Jenny.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, he gone back dark. Go, you go miss the call. I saw your phone them gone sometime. Jenny. True that then when they use the surname, they panic. Enough time my phone do me so. Buy me for search to find it top ring.
Like if something turn right down, you not see nothing.
You not see it none at all. It come off a front screen.
But I try feel look. And as we get one call back the phone, this come on. We have a touch with everything we should have touched. Can I sweet?
Can eat, yes.
I remember you back on the head that phone, you know.
Oh yeah, study. What time now? See. A night flight. Night flight, they ain't having no so. And we in the evening now, probably about after 4 now. Let me see what time. Tell me what time. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to 5. Them are gonna leave up here probably about 5:30 to 6. A 9 o'clock flight they have, you know. But you don't know they have to go in and check in or something. So they are going to help them pack up. In the meantime, you stay tuned. Yeah, people, Uncle Percy about to take the flight in a couple of hours from
Yeah, a
now.
couple of hours, about 9 o'clock.
So I'm about in last place in Jamaica.
I'll give them more.
Yeah, give them what they want, them alright.
And then I'll come back here, so
Yeah.
you don't know when I come back.
I got to come every time next year.
He said next year Christmas, so I look for foreign sitting from England. Sometimes they
Because you know, yeah.
and they don't buy big things, you know, but sometimes it fit good.
Yeah, man. Hold on, let me get me out. Hold on. Get me out. Let me get me out. Hold on.
So you go get the hat, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm not go further than the airport, you should know that already. Dress up all the while and not go further than the airport. When at my time, you know, just like I just push me dress more than the foreigner them. You dressed in a squad.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, I'm not dressed
You
up.
dressed to man. You dressed in Adidas hat and sitting there, pastel. Man, good thing you did want your socks to make you look like you go up on the plane, but
No, sir. If me take a plane, you can't know. That me go and know say over the cold.
you just cool.
No, me I do it like Oliver. You know Oliver Samuels.
Eh.
Me I put on pull off and everything from
Uncle Percy, you have Whistler?
Whistler.
Yeah. I foreign Whistler,
yeah, I got
them
Whistler,
alone.
but Whistler from here, yeah.
Oh yeah, I have Whistler. I'll get Whistler and come back with him. I put him down right there so if you watch him.
Yeah, put it on to watch Nick.
It a watch Nick and it a watch you if you go back there.
Everybody, yeah.
Guava not eat. See what I mean?
Yeah.
I go to blending and drinks.
What kind of food you
Agriculture, go over them. Big, you know, you can grow big. Big like a pear. Can grow big like a pear. They make drinks nice.
You know? But I know, you carry them with the feet. You cut them out. I mean,
I said,
cut the teeth. The tea me drink. Yeah, cut them up. You look tough.
like he and them.
You feel get
Yeah,
twice short the whole car.
yes, one of them with them too. No man, they want that. I'll go make you use it there on me. So, it can be 40. And cane
I'm
is
not
beef
cane,
40.
black cane.
Yeah,
I
right.
want
Red
to
cane.
beef party
Red cane.
and crackers cane. You go cook.
I bought that. I'm a PP.
Cane this.
Nick, we not see them again for now.
Oh, January and Monday, no January gone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man,
I'm going to do
You
that.
like that in that case, please?
No, it's back then.
No, ready.
Then they come for next Easter.
Yeah, it is boom.
Huh?
Since they then come spend holiday down here a while.
Yeah?
Then we love it.
They love you. If you say they love me, so I try to Malikaya Zion.
Zion, run up and down last night.
Go and come
Teeth
every
to
time.
eat cane, you know, people. I will not have teeth. Yeah, them are cane soft, so all sauce of gum can eat them.
Yeah. Nick can some come this one and meet them out.
All if
Yeah.
a sauce of gum you have, them can eat. Where Richie? Me not see Richie from me come.
You selling go pick up some patty.
Oh,
You know, say corner there.
oh,
Your mama can pick up some patty.
okay.
How we there and remember say.
And me think so, no one can pick them up from
No,
morning, you know.
then we don't go down there and left them there, remember.
The box
We have to send
cover.
Marga for them.
Hey,
It's the place with the lock.
Lord have mercy. Later eat cane. Can I get later problem with the later I have enough teeth to eat cane. I don't know. But you amput him.
Go where we go and where we come out. Okay, good.
Where? What jeans pants and one pink blouse address that? What Becky have on? One jeans pants. I want you just wipe those. No, one jeans pants and one pink blouse. I'm going to the airport, no dress. It's a paper at the airport and dress.
I mean, you have to back your dress.
No, tell him. Yes, damn it, I love it.
Everybody gonna correct then you could change.
Give that to Rod for me.
Okay,
Alright,
alright,
just a little
thanks.
something, alright?
Yes.
Roger!
Who did you get from? That's from me. Alright? Alia, see, like when they refuse the drinks, that's when they refuse the money. Who gave you that one? Amelia. Oh, right, okay, yeah. Can I give you the wrong one? Where's the one I get? Oh, you swapped it, okay. Alright. Yeah? All the kids got, yeah? Everyone got, all the kids. They got, everyone got. And give that to Raj.
Yeah, man.
Melon.
Call them.
No, me, no,
No, you don't see me, I wash.
We are going to find some Elisa.
Yeah, but it's not come back this time.
Oh, you can't come back with me. You can't come with me. You come with me.
It's not come back.
Mafia, you not go pack your things. You not give Mafia. Mafia not get.
No, yeah, you got for Mafia.
Yeah, you got for Mafia.
Yeah.
Mafia not giving up video.
Mafia.
Mafia in a gear.
Here, yeah, Mafia.
Yeah. Mafia dash.
Mafia, you dash me. Mafia, this is Fio. Mafia. This is Fio. Fio Mafia. See?
Mafia receive $2,000. Mafia say I don't want that. I see bigger Mafia want.
Already, yeah.
Mafia no want that. Mafia want bigger.
I bet you they call him all long.
Where Roger?
Yes.
Rene gonna work.
Yeah, who no get? Maybe Renee seen already.
Oh. People will get money. Money are share up. Then can't carry back Jamaican money go foreign. So yes, when you yesterday they go back a foreign, no come at them food. Cause then can't carry back Jamaican money go foreign. Else I mean they have to share up. See there? Everybody will get Don't care how small it is. Everybody I get a little.
Yeah.
All who know there, they get money too.
Call him, let me see this.
Roger! Roger! Roger!
I wish I knew the
Call Roger.
Roger!
Call Roger.
Roger!
You pick it up, sit down and laugh off for you before they help you call Roger. Roger!
Call Roger. Melissa call Roger.
Roger!
I feel no where I'm
Love
going.
bushes, man.
I'm gonna look if I see them.
He up there so kind of things, sir.
Why me not know where I swing song there? Guys, no so in my yard beautiful and big. Watch how they run here though. Squeechy down on them. Squeechy on them. One of them see me. Only one of them see me now. Watch them and with the car them. You see picking them if you go back a fine.
Let's burn them. Actually,
Yeah, we see a long time. Roger, Uncle Percy call you. I wanna kill frog.
One big old fat frog.
Me nah come down the call look and me afraid of frog. Uno just not dirty up phone yourself, you know. Remember say uno a go.
You afraid of frogs?
In big?
it's big.
Me no want see me afraid of frog. People from last night they might kill a frog at least. Last night, whole night, they put them there on and my sister grill. One piece of ramping where you feel they run, they kill bullfrog. You see them a little English at the end though, easy. You see that little one there where they run along down the same name Zion. Me see him with one big stone in her hand last night. If him drop that pan the frog can't move. Them are English I kill frog in a different ways. What's that? Screech upon them again because them things say me gone, you know. Show them what they are going to house this time. And go through the back door, see? Like this is a camera. So me I see what going on out the door, see? See them down there, sir?
No. Hey, hey, no. We need like, get that phone. Bunny.
Watch them down there, though. Watch them. See them? Frog them a kill.
Oh, Yaya? Yaya?
Yeah. $100 fee. Yeah.
What did Jamaican dress in? What did Jamaican number dress up with the go like
Dress like a dress post. Everybody in a 3 boys in a black and white wear uniform out. On Thursday same way. Yeah, I lost one in a Jamaica. Last clip in my bun out of paper. Yeah.
So you just like you go up on the plane.
I mean I go up on the plane, you know that? I walk. I mean I go up on the plane. Look guys, now go further on the airport, you know.
Look like you go up on the plane.
Now go further on the airport, you know guys. We have take picture now weird. Catch him, Wally.
We took loads of pictures yesterday. Oh wait, no, yeah. Where were you in the pictures and stuff?
Yeah,
You got a picture, man.
Yeah, you talk. Yeah?
Everybody stand by your uncle.
Come, well, Melissa, I'm not here. Hey, come. Everybody. Already again.
Lighter ball.
Everybody.
Lighter, you missed them.
Liquor one at the front.
Okay, ready?
Come.
Come here, picture on it.
Come quick, yeah, Phyllis.
Just a snap. One and I'm go.
Come on.
We take picture.
Come on.
We take picture.
Come on, Nancy Pet. Come on. Come on, Nick, squeeze out.
Big up, yeah.
Chilla, can you do a selfie when we're all in? You must be able to do that. Wait, now everybody back.
Come back. Lerta, come back.
Lighter, come back.
Hey.
Wait.
Everybody in there?
Are we in? Yeah, cheese. Nice.
Good, yeah.
That's supposed to be
Come on, Melton. We'll finish your airplane.
Yeah. Right.
Come in on the work, man. Lerta the ball.
Remember, so this is a record, you know. That's why I go all the time. If you miss them. When they come again, we go back up at Turkey Tower Beach. We go back at Senti again. We go back at Negril. We go all up enough places this time. Let's talk about it, guys. We reach to that moment when they are going outbreak. You know what I mean? So, we talk about. Everybody missed them one another already. Yeah? See? Please run here, so. You ball too?
I mean, you see.
Me see it by your face, say you want ball, you know.
I saw you in my eye.
Sitting in your eye. So all of a sudden sitting in your eye.
Nothing in your eye, you cry, man.
No.
I mean, no.
You the ball bongo.
You see, say you miss your little cause them, dog. Yes, you know I say I miss them, I say I go. When they come again, we go back at beach and say, yeah. Jaylan a ball to understand in her heart, you know. A Jaylan or a Jaylan. Jaylan a ball in a style. I say I go, just that tense moment there. We say one night time, I remember say camera the video after we take picture, me have it all over the face. Jaylan say I'm ball, you know, I want to see face, you know, let's say something in my eye. Oh God, I say go.
Don't cry, Jay. Just play around.
Yeah, he. I between the ball in her heart and I see something in her eye. But me know I run in jail and don't worry yourself, then soon come back. When we go back at Orchard, we go back at Orchard before then come back from England, yeah? We plan one day. I'm calling you know, and just put up in the clothes and sit down already and go. Alright. Yeah, drive out the yard now.
Yeah? Man, go back up and straight around the sun.
I know Cambridge always eat out of one pot. So we are reverse out the yard now. Out the park. My driver always active and no dots. So the crowd of people now left them. Balling not done right there, so now we have to reach at airport. Later now come at airport still, so should we calm down? Alright, so we'll wait for them around here, so them have to just say goodbye to the yard for now until when them come again.
Always me want.
Yeah, me go tell you you can. So with the Chester Castle, we are going to airport. Please remember to press the like button and don't skip the ads. drive, Nick.
Or me, I get the wisdom. I'm not rushing in. You know what I mean?
So guys, remember, we subscribe to Atonic TV over here.
Right, that's a brum, 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 brum. Long fast, the man, fast. Hurry up. One pack of Whistler there. Yeah, go back forward. Go on. Now buy one pack of Whistler. I'm craving here.
Road.
South. And when I say Queen of South, that one Nikisha Burchell, never two.
Right, that's up.
You know, and me and me gonna know say people, yo, you see on the 3rd, yo, we are murder them from 11 o'clock, we kill them, man. From 11 o'clock, we done them. When I say kill them, I mean vote them out. So nobody get the thing twisted. You see what I mean? Yeah, by 11:30, flat. Yo, we're supposed to vote out Oma Davis by that time then. So you see when you catch 12 o'clock, down to 1, a straight party non-stop.
Next, yeah, Nikisha
You know, so we're gonna have a big birthday bash. That's what I say? Yeah. I know, so we go do that live. If you don't believe me, ask God. What is that name? I'm out.
cross the road with the boxer party.
Yes. We active, we
Yeah, me not get Uncle Percy phone. Richie, you have Chuno number. Me can't find Chuno number.
The man Chuno there.
Chuno in our vehicle. Yeah.
No man, it's silver box.
The silver vaccine we went over here. I'm looking at this phone.
Oh yeah. So I see the vaccine part of me out by if I don't.
I know them man.
Look at me see Chuno number in this. And them did come but the stoplight whole way and then go through a stoplight. Let me see if we get through. But after a Jamaica number this may have to through.
Call here then up a yard or so get the number. Show number.
Chuno number you want.
Yeah,
You need to travel with them.
so I'll travel with them. This one I'm sorry, which number now? Credit done in comedy. As me call Uncle Percy, cut off.
No, I get nobody.
I try to call up a yard.
So Chuno number you want.
Where? Tell me it. See them there? Them there. Pass them somewhere, so.
Yo, boy. You want jog with them? I'll go back there. I'll go back there. I'll go here. No reason to go there.
I'm going up back.
Makes sense.
Where you want to see if we go?
Uncle Percy, where I want to see you?
No,
Uncle Percy, where I want to see you? Yeah, you may want to see you.
Anything first year, you
Alright.
Yo, me I move go. If you don't want to get this.
Well, hurry up and come in. Squeeze somewhere. Come, come back and then go straight out.
Where are they then?
Open
Come
the
on,
door.
so you can't walk yourself. Let me do this one.
Open the door.
Alright. Anything you on over.
Just do it, don't
Alright.
come down and get messed up again, brother.
And
Just
then
come
tell you got
down.
yourself out.
Alright.
We can't make you butter pass.
Come in good.
If it's Jamaican of you.
She said, can't make it but a pass. So then just pass you again, then gone over airport. So them on the journey. With the party them round there, so.
Yeah man.
Boxes of parties.
They here, you know.
You know, and then here, look how Richie have to said. He just can't be if he go on up back.
So me not somebody.
Me never see so. I never see so at all. He done say one go to the airport to go push suitcase.
So yeah.
And they say,
Your uncle Percy say, oh no go on like you don't want to put me on the camera. Me not somebody.
I want to go on your people, I camera make it turn back, you know.
Yes.
Go on the wait. You think go minimum time. Time get dark. Alright, we are going to look if we see them. Actually, they gone over airport. So we are going to look if we see them because my credit don't have 5 phone.
So if you don't want to miss you up again.
Yeah, because we don't know where them are going to drop a vehicle. Where them are go. But basically, I think we go find them because they go over with their luggage right in front of So guys, we are entering Sunstar's International.
Alright, look, kick it, man, I go get this sign and see police broadside them. No one ticket to them, brother.
Over here change up a lot, guys. So if you used to come over here a long time and now two different settings, when I used to drive, you can't drive there anymore. You get tickets up in a vehicle and a plane ticket, me and talk about. One thing with them are Jamaican police, they don't give a plane ticket. They don't give a farm work ticket neither. You put some money, some you pay some breed and money to the government, you wonder why them have to charge you so much money to give the government. Wonder if I feed them pocket they're going to. Did you know you can't throw when I'm born over here? You're supposed to know that.
No, you can't leave that
You're
place.
supposed to know you can't litter the place. None at all. Not even one little bone where you're eating and you say you're going to spit you out. You can't do that. And you can't do that. Your name bother want to do that. You see me? So we there right part, Carona so kind of look empty-ish.
Well, if I ride
See them there, see them there, see them there.
Yeah, man. So
If I ride
Them right
part,
there.
I must say I'm a tour right now.
Okay. Guys, so me I got England, me so test them in back road here, so
yeah, man. So
bye bye Jamaica for now.
So you see over here so now. If you're not chat up bone and so like you can't come over here car. One can't dash out.
Correct. you they learn. You they learn. So guys, we are going to take out the footage them now. Oh, it's just empty at one night. People at one night, the place empty, you see.
How do you do, yo?
Wait.
Pull the door, Shane.
Jump out now. I can't even jump. So, reach at the airport, camera batteries on low. Inside is cold. From a jacket because inside is the feel the breeze already. I'm not going there. You see me put my sweater somewhere. So. Me feel the breeze. I'm not going there yet, so I put on my sweater. You think I'm an idiot? No, I'm going there so. I dress up like I'm going to foreign. The one box of patty, but I tasted them by a juicy beef at best patty, you know.
Man, them good, man. Unload,
Oh, yeah.
unload, we
Like, and
unload.
even though we are unload.
Uncle Percy Park and left you home. I say Uncle Percy gone around the
No,
drive.
yeah,
Then the ramp out here now.
Me know that I tell you that ticket if you want like a bone. So guys, me I carry. They ask me papers.
Just on the road to go moving cars.
Alright, police. Richie, come take out.
We just take time to get them out.
The police they can't do nothing because we are unload.
Unless you stop at
Hot patties, hot patties. Hot.
Jesus, they really are hot. They never
Ready
give you
to
no bag
eat.
or nothing.
Nothing. Richie will get them from like this. Wow, patty for days in people. Jesus Christ. Yeah, suitcase for days and patty for days. Alright, man, I should want a suitcase down yourself. Put the camera right just to make it go and rest a little bit.
I drop me the drop off.
Yeah, go make me puppy them sleep in our box.
Yo, watch them up there.
Take out my phone because I'm going inside. Richie, forward. I don't like when you're stingy while you camera.
For back. Yeah.
Yeah, go there, sir.
Panic too much.
Oh, Marga said you can't get it.
What's up?
Feel you can't hide today, Garnet. Garnet, you feel you can't hide today.
Oh yeah, do.
Garnet.
It did break his claw. Yeah, take a bite. Yeah?
Yeah.
Garnet. Mel. Oh. Huh?
Bye Jamaica for a little while. We got to start the TV one. Family them me soon come back. And I'm gonna stay along over the coast on their years. We couldn't make people them come from England and go back and miss.
Yeah.
This is how I hear about Philip. What everything else, I hear.
I like it.
I hear about Philip over.
Jesus.
Oh, okay.
You good?
Yeah, good on the over.
On a purpose, you know?
$25.
And try it.
Alright, yeah, good.
back overweighting of people, me feel shame, but I'm not embarrassed. me feel like me crave like I'm me alone.
So people, if they play and lift up on Melissa,
I hear them something there.
A joke, share me.
This is not my real face. Me never walk with my real face. It's a good thing. Yes, the man, that man.
Show this first. Yeah. So now, take this out first.
First, you feel like you put stuff in a
Okay,
suitcase
so
when you
Malika.
never have to put in there.
I really want to walk with you.
Come on, you go ball.
But let me carry one for you. Let me carry one for you.
Next time you will come here. Next time you will come.
Yeah, man. So we catch it right.
Next time you will come, you're not have to be so bad man. It's too suitcase I broke me down and you can't walk. And you when they pray for your party, them no whole for you go back to one backside party but you got in a work. So when you chat to that, we are eat them all up.
So say something, Malika.
He wasn't even looking.
No, say, going back to England, pick up everything.
You have to stay. I'm going back to England. I'm going back to England.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I wait for you. So we check in already and something, but you know you have to do it. That's why. So yeah, wait. Oh, me give them a passport already. So I'm not poor. So I'll make it have everybody passport. You know? You didn't know? Sure, I feel I say, you know, me alone I walk out back in, me not go back in. They're surprised me and they carry me and they know.
But remember, I said all of them is
Where's your sin?
yes, they make he's right there. All of them said
Yeah, I think he's got it. That's fine. Jayla, come.
no, the family.
No.
That you
Yeah, my boss. Oh,
passport there. How many persons traveling? 1, 2, 3, 4,
yeah, man. So we are about to check out, you know what I mean?
And I check in, I check in. I check me, I check in. I don't know what Richie I do. Richie say, I check out. Can't forget. battery low. So, see if some of my battery till me go outside. The finishing plug, you know what I mean? Which look like he's afraid to come up front because you know the people them to see me shy, you know, he shy more.
Take some suitcase.
See two more here. One to them here. Two Richie now come to England, Richie have Vex. And not come up at front. Come to the end corner.
Nothing to bring.
You can put in one of the birds.
Alright, something to go to that one. Can I take this one
Make
back?
careful the pan. One of them heavy. Anyone you move it heavy?
No, you can just put it into here because it's not enough.
It's going to fit in here.
But it can go into here, Jana. Just trying to stop that.
Right, put it in there then.
Put that one in there. Jana, put that in there. What else? Give me that.
It's two separate scales.
Prince is two separate scales. Set that one back.
Subscribe to Active Shana TV. Hi guys, this is Alicia.
Change my mind. Change my mind, yeah, man. They might carry too much patty and sit there, and that don't even cheese patty. Change my mind. If I went shrimp and lobster, they might carry me that way go. So me change my mind. Me send something fishy when me in the airport. So me not bother go England. So guys, me and me ain't going on back. Me not bother go. Richie did vex in the airport and they want help me carry my suitcase. It's all good. I see that we are Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. What you say around there, yeah? What you say?
Man with the live and living colors.
Ball about to?
I mean, I see.
Me see it by your face, say you want ball, you know?
I saw you in my eyes.
He said next year Christmas, I want to look for foreign sitting from England.